Is this thing on?
Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, hi everyone. Don't think of the words. It's 4 o'clock. You're talking to people.
Hey everyone, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Hey everyone, my name is Marilyn and welcome. And that revolute.
Think Nuki.
This is the black one. We're all up close and candy. So for those of you guys who didn't know, I am Kenyan. I'm from Kenya. So give me all your presents and give me all your clothes and give me all your hopeless. Where is the shop now? Where is the shop now? Swatches all over my hand. I hate talking with my hands. Shoot. Almost broke my mirror.
Down.
Brows on flick, yo. Swirl. Down with a swirl. Whoop shit. Also, don't forget to click on that little bell somewhere. I don't know. I don't know if it's here or here. I never know up until I upload the video. I'm like, it's there.
Do you like it? Yeah?
See you all in my next one. Bye.
Mama Lisa.
Yes.